Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks, your gardening experience with powerful tilling performance. The best rototiller for a large garden ensures efficient soil preparation, deep cultivation, and effortless breaking of tough ground. Perfect for creating fertile, well-aerated soil that helps your plants thrive season after season. Let's explore the top choices today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Inkbo Large Garden Rototiller. The Inkbo Large Garden Rototiller is a solid choice for anyone looking to handle soil preparation efficiently and comfortably. Allow you to break through tough soil while maintaining control and precision. The 4 rust-resistant steel blades are built for long-lasting durability, ensuring consistent performance over time. What sets this model apart is the inclusion of a spur, a thoughtful addition that helps users control the forward motion of the tiller and reduces fatigue during long tilling sessions. The machine's overload protection system adds another layer of reliability, automatically shutting off if it encounters a blockage, preventing damage. Compact, easy to operate, and ideal for garden enthusiasts seeking smooth, efficient cultivation, the Inkbo tiller offers both performance and safety in one well-engineered tool. Number 2. Bukodod Large Garden Rototiller. The Bukodod Large Garden Rototiller is designed for gardeners who need both strength and coverage in one machine. Featuring an impressive 18-inch cultivation width and 8-inch depth, it efficiently loosens soil and prepares it for planting with minimal effort. Built with 6 times in a stable cross-structure design made of 65 pounds manganese steel, it ensures smooth and balanced tilling. Safety is also prioritized. Bukodod includes a safety button, overload, and over-temperature protection systems for both operator and machine security. The overload feature automatically shuts the tiller off when obstructed, extending its lifespan. Ideal for large gardens, it combines power, speed, and safety to deliver professional-level soil preparation. With thoughtful design and durable construction, this rototiller offers dependable performance season after season. Number 3. MZK 16-inch Large Garden Rototiller. The MZK 16-inch Large Garden Rototiller combines impressive power and precision for efficient garden cultivation. Covering a 16-inch width and an 8-inch depth, it effectively breaks up clumps, aerates compact soil, and preps beds for planting. Designed for comfort, the MZK features an ergonomic and lightweight build, making it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Whether you're cultivating a flower bed, vegetable patch, or managing weeds, this tiller delivers consistent results without straining your arms or back. The electric operation also means less maintenance and zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern gardeners. Durable, efficient, and easy to handle, the MZK tiller stands out as a reliable companion for anyone looking to simplify their gardening routine while achieving professional quality results. Number 4. DR 11-inch Large Garden Rototiller. The DR 11-inch Large Garden Rototiller is a powerhouse designed for serious gardeners who need robust performance and deep soil penetration. This rear tine tiller tackles even the toughest ground with ease. Its counter-rotating tines dig 11 inches deep and cover an 11-inch width, ensuring quick and thorough soil preparation. Ideal for breaking new ground or revitalizing compacted earth, it creates a rich, aerated base for healthy plant growth. The machine's 13-inch pneumatic wheels provide excellent traction and stability, making it easy to maneuver across varied terrain. With the ability to switch to freewheeling mode, transport and turning are effortless. Engineered for durability and control, the DR tiller transforms demanding soil work into smooth, efficient operation. It's a professional-grade choice that delivers reliable power, depth, and performance for large gardens and tough soil conditions. Number 5. Built Hard Large Garden Rototiller. The built-hard large garden rototiller brings professional power to home gardeners with its 99cc 4-cycle gas engine. Delivering 3 horsepower at 3,600 RPM, it offers the strength needed to tear through compact soil, roots, and clay effortlessly. The adjustable tilling width, 17 to 24 inches, and depth, 3.9 to 11.8 inches, make it versatile for various gardening needs, from light weeding to deep soil cultivation. Designed for operator comfort, the handle adjusts to 3 height positions, and the 8-inch rear wheels make transport and control smooth across uneven ground. Its dual-action safety system instantly halts tine rotation when the clutch grip is released, ensuring safe operation at all times. Built for efficiency and longevity, the EPA-certified engine runs cleanly while reducing fatigue during extended use. The built-hard tiller offers the perfect blend of strength, adaptability, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for preparing large garden beds and maintaining healthy soil. That wraps up our list of the best rototillers for large gardens. Each model offers the power, durability, and efficiency you need for successful soil preparation. Choose the one that fits your gardening goals best and enjoy a healthier, more productive garden every season. Thanks for watching.